This video is for transfer credit managers to go in and approve transfer credit requests. This is specifically for transfer credit managers who are not currently site or district administrators in the system. The transfer credit manager would go to NCEES, and from NCEES they would go to configuration, and then from configuration they would choose approval request administration. After choosing Approval Request Administration, there are some filters that you can use to make this process easier. The first recommended suggestion is Archived is no. If you would like to, after you approve requests, you can click on the three dots and you can archive those so they are no longer in your list. Another filter that you can add is looking for your site only. So if you are at a charter school, you may only have to look for one site, but if you're supporting your district in this role and you are not a site or district administrator, you would need to narrow this down and search for one site at a time. So you can do site equal to and type in the name of a location. And then the other recommendation is to add a status filter equal to pending credit approval. That'll let you know what you need to go in and look at. After you have clicked Add Filter and you've searched these, update your table, and this is what will appear in your list. Once you have your list, you're going to click on the credit request. You'll click on that. That's going to open up the submission. Okay, the next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go in and add yourself as an approver. You don't automatically come in, but you do have the pencil button where you can look for credit approvers. You can look and see if there's any currently added, but then you can click the edit button, and then you can search for your name in the system to add yourself as an approver. So I'm currently impersonating Standard 1, so I'm going to type in that name. I'm going to click Update. I'm going to check the box in front of my name. This is who I am right now, and then I'm going to click Select. This is going to allow me to see additional features at the bottom of the page if I click Refresh that I would not have seen otherwise. So now at the bottom, I have the information where I can actually do the credit approval process. This would not have been here had I not added myself as an approver. You're going to need to look at all of this information. You're going to need to review the title, review the description, the start and end date, making sure that they have taken hours and converted those to CEUs. Remember, it takes 10 hours to make one CEU, or 1 hour equals 0.1 CEUs. After you reviewed all that information, you can decide if what they requested makes sense, and then you have to decide as a district what counts as evidence of completion. Is it a certificate? Is it a badge? Is it an email? What counts as completion? And did they need to get any approval signatures? This part is optional. This is based on local decision and what you require to be turned in to take credit. After you reviewed all the information, then you can come down to the bottom. You can either click Deny, and that's going to allow you to deny this, and they're going to get it back, and you would give them a reason why. So if they didn't upload a certificate or have the correct approval process, then you can just deny it. Then you'll add a note, and it will turn red. If you decided that you wanted to approve this, you can just check the box for the credit type, enter in the amount, once again making sure you're converting hours to CEUs, and then you click Approve. And you can add a note that you can say approved. You can add a date, add your initials. You can do whatever you'd like, and then you click Submit. You're going to notice that this screen is going to turn green to let me know it was approved. Had I denied it, it would have turned red, and you can see the history, because if you deny it, they can send it back to you after they have made any corrections that need to be made. So that is the process, and then you can go back to Approval Request Administration to get back to approve other submissions.